Whoa, look! Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Mike and I am so happy you are here with us today because today we have such a special story to share with you all.
And I'm Emma, I'm the youngest, and I'm super excited because today we are talking about our trip to the Amazon rainforest.
So today, we want to sit down together just like we always do, and we'll share what we saw, what we felt, some funny moments, and also some things that scared us a little bit.
The spiders! Talk about the spiders! Emma, we will just wait a little bit. Let Dad finish the story first.
So it was actually last winter, we were sitting right here in this living room, and it was really cold outside, and I remember looking out the window and thinking, I really want to do something different this year, big, something we'll never forget.
And at first I thought you were joking. I said, Mike, are you serious? That's so far away. And it's the jungle, isn't that dangerous? But he just smiled at me with that big adventurous look in his eyes.
And I remember when you told us kids about it. Emma and I were doing homework at the table.
And you came in and said, guess what? We're going to the Amazon! And I didn't even know what Amazon meant. Thought you meant the shopping website.
No, Emma. It's a rainforest. It's in South America. It has monkeys, snakes, and huge
Trees. Bigger than our whole house. Wait, real monkeys? Like in the zoo?
Packing was actually really hard because in the Amazon it's hot during the day. But it can also rain a lot, and there are so many insects. So we had to bring so many different things.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your pilot. We are approaching some rain and thunder. Please fasten your seatbelts immediately. Remain calm.
Wait, my tablet fell. Let me just grab it real quick.
No, Jake. Seatbelt back on right now. Turbulence. The tablet can wait. Your safety can't.
Wait, where do we go if something happens? I wasn't really sure.
Emma, see that lit up sign? That's exactly why we listen. That's our nearest exit. Always know where it is.
Take a deep breath, Jake. Make sure your seatbelt is tight.
We are safe, Emma. Just look at me.
It's so cool!
Look down there, Jake. It's beautiful. We are finally about to land. We are beginning our descent. Look at the lights down there. When we finally landed, the air felt so different. It was so warm and so humid, like the air was heavy, you know? Like you could almost feel the water in the air. Okay, you two, now that we landed safely, let's remember 3 flight safety rules that can really save lives. Number 1, seatbelt on when the seatbelt symbol is on. Turbulence can happen without warning.
Number 2,
always know where your nearest exit is.
listen to the safety briefing every single time, even if you've flown before.
And number 3, if oxygen masks ever drop, put yours on first before helping anyone else. You have to be safe to be able to help. We were on the boat. Suddenly, Emma shouted,
Look, look!
"Something in the water!"
had no idea what was waiting for us down there, but next time, you'll see the jungle for yourself.
Don't miss it. The adventure really begins in part 2.